Hey guys, Mike with Old Iron. Kind of did a thing yesterday. Anybody that knows me knows I need another project like I need a hole in the head. We haven't named it yet. This is kind of like part one of the walk around. Once we get it off the trailer and stuff, I'll do a full walk around. It's got 5-lug suspension. It's not a C code. It was originally a 6-cylinder car. Interior's in good shape. It's all wrapped. That's what the yellow is. Buckets are in the trunk. I couldn't pass it up, man. I paid like half price for all the new panels that came with it and got everything else for free. So I mean, even if I use it for parts for the other car, for Sally, I mean, I'm not out. It's got new core support, new inner fenders, new doors, new floor pans. I haven't seen how they were put in. These janky patch panels on the back. I mean, you can kind of, when in doubt, use Phillips screws. It's, you know, that all needs to be cut out. It's just, it's nowhere close to being right or even acceptable. Inner fender wells are good. Rest of the quarters are good. Rockers are good. Frame rails are good. Got a small spot on the back side of the driver's side that we're going to have to take care of. It's got a brand new hood. You can't see under the mess of the pile of parts. It's got the fenders are actually new. They were primed, and guy bought it about 10 years ago. Put it in his garage, never did anything with it except buy some parts, and then he'd throw the parts in there and buy some more parts and never did anything. It's got a new partial floor pan. I'm gonna take that out. I'm gonna put full floor pans in it. They're cheap enough, you know, and if you're gonna cut half of it, I'll cut the whole damn thing out and do it right. The doors are brand new. They're on the other side. So I mean, with the body panels and stuff, you know, I'm not hurt. Cowl section is, I don't know if it's been replaced, but it's solid, man. I mean, no rust. Firewall looks good. Torque boxes look good. So we'll get it off of here. No trans did come with a 302. I haven't even looked at that yet. Bags of parts. I mean, you know, new door guts. A little bit of everything. So I mean, we still got to go through it and inventory everything and figure out exactly what we're going to do with it. But I wanted to give you some kind of an idea on the next project. We're cleaning the garage today and making room and trying to organize everything. Once we get everything in, we'll do some updates on the 40 Coupe and Sally, the other Mustang. So stay tuned. We'll talk to you soon.